Halo class, welcome to Kids English Class with Miss Amel. Ini adalah pertemuan kelima, meeting 5. Pada hari ini, Miss akan memberikan materi tentang my daily activities. Siapkan alat tulisnya ya adik-adik dan semangat untuk belajar hari ini. Learning purpose atau tujuan pembelajaran hari ini adalah 1. Siswa mampu menyebutkan dan memahami kalimat sederhana tentang kegiatan sehari-hari. 2. Siswa mampu membuat dan mengucapkan kalimat dalam paragraf sederhana menggunakan simple present tense. Okay students, now we go to introduction vocabulary. Now, repeat after me, okay? We will learn some useful words. Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth in the morning. Take a shower. I take a shower before school. Eat breakfast. I eat sandwich and fruits for breakfast. Go to school. I go to school at 7 a.m. Do my homework. I do my homework in the evening. Students, it is easy, right? To understand and to say simple sentences that we use in daily activities. Now, we go to grammar focus, simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about habits and daily activities. Here is the pattern or rumus in positive sentence. I, you, we, they plus verb 1. We can say I, you, we, they as a subject. Here are the example sentences. I wake up at 6 o'clock. They go to school every day. We play basketball in the yard. Now we go to the second subject using he, she, it plus verb 1. Here are the example sentences. She goes to school at 6 o'clock. He reads an English book. It eats a doggy food. Students, when you use he, she, it subject, you have to add s, es, or es after verb 1. Go become goes, play become plays, study become studies, eat become eats, watch become watches, stay become stays, cook become cooks, and wash become washes. Have you already understand, students? When you want to make a sentence or speak about your daily activities, you have to use simple present tense. This is Jane. Let's listen to her daily activities. Hi, my name is Jane. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast and go to school. At school, I study and play with my friends. After school, I go home and do my homework. I eat dinner with my family and go to bed at 9 o'clock. We already listened about Jane's daily activities. How about it, students? It is easy, right? To make a simple paragraph using simple present tense about your daily activities. Now you can make it too, okay? Now it's time for interactive quiz. Students, let's try a short quiz. I will ask and you answer, okay? Pause a few seconds for you to answer. Questions number 1. What do you do after you wake up? Questions number 2. What time do you go to school? Question number 3. What time do you go to bed? Good job, students. You are doing great. Today, we'll learn about daily activities and how to use the simple present tense. Practice talking about your routine or daily activities with your family or friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on next meeting with KAC because learning English is fun. See you on 7th meeting with Kids English Class or KAC. Bye-bye.